Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a super cool trick for you when it comes to Vaseline, otherwise known as petroleum jelly, in your mirror or anything that's got something stuck on it like this. Now I was thinking of going with the traditional Goo Gone, but this can get a little ooey gooey and runny, as does baby oil, as does cooking spray. So this is what we're gonna do. Get your Vaseline and then get yourself a Q-tip just so that you're not rubbing your grimy fingers in germs all up in there in case you want to use it for other things. And you are going to lather the sticky item that you need to get up. This works great on carpet, this works great on clothes. You want to let that saturate on your item. I'm filming another video right now when it has to do with your toilet, and I needed to see up underneath my rim, and I realized I had the sticker stuck on there. Stay tuned for that video. That is going to be a goodie. All right, let this sit for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Since I love you so much, do you want a sneak peek of what I'm talking about, my friend? I think this toilet is clean. I clean this toilet probably every other day, but it's not. Let me just show you. Let's get under there with the mirror. Can you see? Ew! Ew, ew, ew. Stay tuned for that fun one. Or shall I say subscribe and turn on that notification bell. All right, back to what we're doing. Next, get some sort of tool, a credit card. This is just a kitchen scraper. And then you're gonna get underneath that sticker and watch how easily this comes up. You see that right there? It's peeling. Yes. Okay, this sticker honestly has been on here since I've got this mirror, and this mirror is several years old. I just got used to it and never took the time to get the sticker off. Look right here, coming up. Ooh, ooh. Now I got some little bits right there. Have no fear, my friend. Just rub it in that Vaseline and get up underneath the sticker. Woo-wee, there's just some small remnants of that sticker. So I'm just gonna take my scraper, oh so gently, and get those up here. And there we go, looking good. No more sticker, yay. And then, ooh, I missed a spot right here. I just went in with my favorite glass cleaner, which is any cloth and plain water. Let me know if you also do this. Give this video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.